So, I'm in beautiful Northern Ireland on Downhill Beach, or is this McGilligan? I think it's the McGilligan end. Downhill is that way. You can see some bodyboarders. Looks like a surf school. I'm going to walk that way. I've had to borrow my mum's raincoat. I quite like the style of it. I think my folks in that car, they live here. Retired, nice place to retire. My mum is from Northern Ireland. Wait, let me take this hood off. I can't really see much. Yeah. Gonna have a look at these bodyboarders. Popular fishing beach as well. Don't see any fishermen yet. It must be because of low tide. Wow. And it goes for miles that way, and obviously miles this way. There's some good caves and stuff this end, and Mussenden Temple, I've uploaded a different video looking around that. Great views up there. Got a great coffee from the Sea Shed. A little coffee hut over there. Very good coffee. Doing my feet are getting wet. But yeah, I mean, this is Northern Ireland weather basically. You might have half hour of sunshine and then out of nowhere rain, but I think it's going to rain all day today. You just got to ignore it. And oh look, that surfer over there. If you look out into the sea, there's a lifeguard. Go nearer the water, my feet are wet already anyway. Oh dear, they're soaked. Uh-oh. There's my parents on the move. Yeah, a lot of these beaches you can park on, obviously, or you've got to be careful of the soft sand. It looks all solid today because of the rain. You get stuck in it very easily. I've never seen so many surfers. It looks like a school. It's half tempted to have a swim. I saw him in the rain here before. It's quite nice, but well, I've had a lot of dips recently. I mean, the rain isn't too bad, it's a drizzle. Oh look, the water, wow, tide comes in quick. Got to step backwards now, that is a quick. What do you call it when the tide is coming in? Fast approach. Wow, that came in fast. I was going to try and go nearer the surfers, but well, no, it's all water there now. Not in the mood for paddling. And it's much more remote that way. There's actually an army training base. I don't know if you can see the little kind of tower. They train all on the land over there. And then this is Donegal. I don't know if you can see in the mist the hills and stuff. You can get a ferry boat there. You can drive a long way around. My word, I think the rain is getting heavier. Should have done what he's done barefoot. I mean, a few days ago I was on here, blue sky, amazing heat. Well, what can you do? I mean, if you come into Ireland, this is what you're coming for. Bring a raincoat and some better walking shoes than mine. I better go now. I'm going to go back to my folks. We actually only stopped for a coffee. We're going somewhere else. I'll show you that in the next clip. McGilligan, I believe, or and up on the hills here, you even get waterfalls when it's wet, but I think it's been too dry recently. Fantastic viewpoints, some great woodlands, and there's even a fishing lake up there somewhere. We might show you that. I think we're going with my brother tomorrow. Anyway, quite. I might have to pinch this. My mum's coat. I don't mind it. I'll stop there. They don't want to be on camera.